Hello everybody, Porch Light here, and it is a beautiful day. Look at that sky. When's the last time you seen a sky like that, y'all? No, but it is a different story, but I ain't gonna get into that today. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so this is part 3 of the Taking My Plants Outside series. Now, this guy lasted. Great job. Okay, you see that? You got that fruit there starting to turn, and the leaves are still there. And I remember the plant from that I had for the last winter. Did the same thing in this particular spot, so that did its thing. Those guys look a little weathered, but they're still alive. That's starting to grow there. Yeah, and that Jerusalem, well, sunchoke rather, is that may not be no more, but it should actually grow back because the tuber is still under there. Now these guys, you can tell they're at the end of their rope here, but you never know. So I'm probably gonna put something else in this pot, and yeah, that's about it. I had another pot with some stuff in it, and that was kind of the same result, but these guys here are really what I really want to go over. So I did put them in front of the window, and I'd have left them out and put them in and out of the greenhouse, and they are thriving. They're standing up. We even got the basil out here standing up. So these guys, you know, looking a little limp, but they're doing good. We even have the boraz seedlings out here. So that means if they can survive this, they're gonna be up in here. And then we got the same for those guys. They've always looked a little limp because I pulled them out of a pot recently, but they are alive and ready to go. They're subscribed, they're broadcasting 80 degrees, so you know, we're gonna see how they do here. But I'm here early in the morning opening this up, so let's take a look at these guys here. This is my pride and joy right now. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh my God. Chinese lettuce. This is parsley. I don't think I've ever had parsley do this well. Look at that. Look at that. Lettuce. I've had these spices here for 2 years. Going on, well, yeah, it's been 2 years. And yeah, beautiful, y'all. And here's some potatoes. And I guess this combination of shade and sun and protection, they're just thriving, y'all. And I literally pulled this celery out of one of the raised beds and just took a clump of dirt, put it in there, and look how beautiful it's running. So yeah, y'all, we are doing good out here. So pretty soon that's gonna be that food for us that we all been looking to have. Well, I'm out.